Greetings everyone. I am Professor Sudeep Varshney, an alumnus of IIT Dhanbad and Pilani. Currently, I am working as Head Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Sharda University. At CSE department, we are offering UG program, PG program and PhD program. At UG level, we are offering B.Tech in Computer Science and Engineering with multiple specializations like Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, AI and Data Science, IoT, Cyber Security. We are also have collaboration with multiple companies like AWS, EC Council, Xebia. At postgraduate level, we are offering M.Tech in Computer Science and Engineering with 3 specializations, that is Data Science, Cyber Security, and Software Engineering. At CSE, we are committed to nurturing future-ready engineers through a strong foundation in academics, hands-on learning, cutting-edge research, and industry exposure. Our curriculum is designed to keep pace with emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, cloud security, and AWS. We focus not only on technical excellence, but also on innovation, ethics, and leadership. Preparing our students to thrive in a global environment, I invite all the aspiring students to join us and become a part of vibrant learning ecosystem where ideas turn into impactful solutions. Thank you everyone. Once again, I look forward to welcoming you all at Sharda University. Thank you.